So, first thing I'm going to show you all is how to fake calligraphy. So a lot of chalkboard letterers do this anyway because chalkboard brush pens just don't really exist yet. So what we do instead is we get the skeleton of the word down first, and then we just fill in extra thick bars on any downstroke. So if I write hello, so we've got an upstroke and a downstroke, upstroke and downstroke, upstroke, kind of weird stroke, downstroke, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, weird squiggle. So first thing to note is you don't want to add in any thicknesses to any flourishes. So I'm talking about the little flick on the O or at the beginning of the H, because that can make it really confusing when you're trying to read the words. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add, you can make these as thick as you like, but you can always make it thicker and you can't make it thinner after you've done it. And the good way about getting out the skeleton of the word first and then adding these thicknesses is that if any letters are too close together, then you can change which side of the vertical line you add the thickness to. So it's a bit of a rubbish one, but I'm going to colour it in so it doesn't matter. Like so. And you don't want to go too far into any horizontal lines because then it just becomes kind of bold. So there we go. So I've plotted out where I'm going to add the thicker lines, and now I'm just going to colour those in. So with chalk pens, they take a little bit to dry, so try not to smudge them, and also don't go over the same area too much while it's still wet, or the paper will start to rough up. If you want to make it a much bolder, whiter thickness, then you can come back to it when it's dry and go over the top, but you don't want to do too much while it's still wet. There you go. So that is how to fake calligraphy.